Hello, I'm here at the Curse of Bermuda Falls for the press night. So, we're starting off our night playing some mini golf.
I got a bigger stick.
Sure. Hello.
Swing around the roses, a pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes. That's what you'll be later.
Oh, lovely.
Go and let's get them later.
I just got out of the Curse of Bermuda Falls and oh my god, that was really good. It wasn't a maze, it was sort of like a zone, not even a zone, it was like a walk-through attraction. It was about 10 minutes long, but it was so good. It was so well themed. You didn't miss anything. You got to stop loads of times to take in everything. It was great.